If you want to film, I don't care. Not my bike. I'm not to put the screw in. Here's the screw in. So hopefully this screw fits. The last one didn't fit. So we're going to put the bogus screw on the starter button. Oh, there's something wrong with this one. It actually screwed in a hole.
Oh.
I don't know why it did that. Obviously something wrong. The lock washers on here, so they might stay locked in there. New concept.
Notice he said might.
There it goes. Screwed enough time, eventually you'll just catch something. Okay, that is tight. Get this one over here. Where's my new ones at? I don't know, they disappeared. Fancy colored one. There they are right here on the top. Can't see them over there. Okay, L is first one. Okay, it's tight. And this one here goes to, that's the one with the plus on it, right?
I can't see.
You can't see, you got the light and everything over there.
I can't see.
Yeah, that's the one with the plus on it. It's right here. So that means this one goes right to here. So we'll put that one right there. Shorten up a little bit. Take that much off. Make it look better. Cosmetics matter on this crap. Matters to somebody. I'm not sure who.
Not me.
Yeah. You were good with the last guy's wiring?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Put that on there like that. There. And like the last guys, you can actually follow my wiring.
Right.
Especially if you know Harley coloring codes. Okay, there, see how that all fits in there? This big circle. It goes right in there, the switch is almost straight up and down like it goes in the hole. Something I didn't like was having it sticking way through. So we need a big ass washer. You got a big washer somewhere in your pocket?
No. I'm sure you do.
I don't have a washer in my pocket. I might have one in my drawer over there.
Over here?
That's a 3/4 inch loose
Oops.
washer. Then OD. Go over to our washer department.
Which is where?
Right here. Oddball universal washers.
Nice.
Somewhere around here. Let me look at glasses going.
Oh.
See, oddball washers.
Yep.
That's way too big. Good idea. I don't want to have to make it either. Like that. It's like a valve collar for a knucklehead. I think that's what that is. That.
Beautiful.
That knucklehead part on your bike. Used to got one part's real early. That fits perfect. Is that all we got? Expensive washer. He was in a universal washer department. Now, who would know that was a knucklehead lower valve spring call?
Only you.
That's close. Too big. I don't know. It's hard to beat knucklehead parts. Well, the haters are going to be on my butt about doing that. A knucklehead part of a pile of crap.
This is not a pile of crap.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe that one will work too. It's not as good as that knucklehead part, though. It does help it. Okay, we're taking the Harley part off.
Aww.
We found one thing in the box would fit beside the Harley part. No Harley parts on this bike.
Wow.
That would have been the only one. Now on backwards too. Who did that? Yeah, that's on backwards. Nobody would know except me, but. It's the fact you twerk on a piece of crap plastic, you know. As much as you can put on it. It's not as pretty as a knucklehead part, but it's still good. The reason I use a zip gun is because when you torque on the wrench, you'll be moving the switch up. Quick torque will hold us keep where we want it to be. That doesn't move. See?
Wow. Nice.
That one already torqued. So give me a little bit of clearance up under here because we're pretty tight up on that. So she goes straight up.
Nice.
Alright, so everything is hooked up except for the important part. The power.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Kind of need that.
Power is not hooked up yet. Oops, wrong spot. Looked up the terminal. Okay, so I'm going to get that on there. Once that kind of get away from me again. See how much that sticks through?
Mm-hmm.
So that would be getting in the way of tightening the parts. So we get rid of that. See, we're flush again.
Mm-hmm.
Get a bigger one this time. Tight. Got swims on there, see?
Mm-hmm.
Swimming around. You can go the other way. So we're going to go over here and find us a 1/4 inch small one. We don't have a 1/4 inch small one. Let's just count these. What do these look like? Yeah, those look good. Uninsulated, perfect. Don't need to insulate a hot wire. Why did he do that? Look at that. Confuse everybody. What color is it? Don't know. The right one. Alright, so now that can go like that, because we don't have the insulator in the way. So it fits in tighter, see? Now you always want to put the wires on top of the cable, because the cable you want to have direct circuit to the ground.
Okay.
Good connection on the ground.
Nice.
Otherwise it could come up and be a problem. I think this is metric. Yes, it is. Make sure your nuts are tight. Now this is hot, so if I touch anything at the frame, it's going to weld my ratchets.
Yikes.
I don't want my tools welded to your
No.
frame. So that's why we're going to mess around with the hot wire first.
Okay.
So we're going to go like this to this to this and to that. I don't have very many threads left over. That bolt's a little on the short side for all the stuff on there.
Voila.
It's tight though. She tightened up. See, I didn't need to be insulated because it's right next to the hot wire anyway. So it fits a little better. Okay, now just leave me that one wire, which is over here somewhere, floating around, unconnected.
That is?
Yeah, somewhere.
Right. This one.
Good, perfect. No, that one's connected.
Oh, that's, wow.
That was a black wire.
Black wire?
Yeah, it's all right. We don't need it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's somewhere. That might be it. I don't know. Is that it? I don't know. What's up in there?
Where'd
I
it
didn't
go?
connect it. I don't know, but I didn't connect it.
Okay.
I'm not going to.
Okay.
So if your headlight has issues,
Yes.
that might be the ground for the headlight.
Oh, okay.
But I
We,
don't know.
we never figured out what that was.
Until I take the headlight all apart and put an ohmmeter on the wire to see if that's the same wire, I don't know. I don't feel
Okay.
like taking that whole headlight off.
I hear you.
Because it was a pain in the
All
ass.
right.
to get that together. We're going to leave it. So yeah, that's the wire though. So it must be jammed underneath this cable here.
Okay.
So it's probably sticking inside the bullet. Yep, I can see it right there. See right here? See it wiggling around there?
Yeah.
There it is, right there.
Okay.
It's nice and safe. It's almost
It's out of the
grounded.
way.
It's almost grounded.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so that all looks good.
Yes.
All right. Oh, somebody disconnected our battery charger for the last hour.
Shit.
Damn, battery's gonna be dead. Remember, always hook up the ground last. You got snake eyes down there. It's not fully charged.
All right.
Okay, so this goes around. All right, you put that on.
You wiggle it.
Wiggle it.
Something like that. Got a bounce on it?
Nope.
There you go. Now I remember.
Springs out the curve slightly. That's why it won't just come up. That's why it doesn't rattle. It's under
Right.
tension from the springs.
Gotcha. That's all.
So it won't be going at idle. Unless you want it to.
No,
If you did, then you have to redo these brackets, because I got them with the tension on. Okay, so now, when you turn this on, the headlight should come on.
yes.
Tail light on?
Yes. Now it's really on. Yep, brake light.
came on? Go.
Brake light, come on. Headlights on. All the lights work.
Yeah, that's the only lights we got.
It's all the lights we need, right?
And that works.
Yes.
There you go.
Nice. Great job, Tatro.
It appears that the wiring is done. So if you get that harness, I drew it out for you.
Nice.
It goes from there to there to there to there to there. To there. There you go. Done.
Alrighty.
There you go.
Thank you.